Question number 7, a college awards a certificate of high achievement to a student. The student's scores for subject blah, 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 10, in the top 10%. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys, this question's thrown me a little bit. I'm going to give my answer. Hopefully it's going to be the right one. All right, but I'll explain why it's thrown me a bit. So SASSI basically studies these 4 subjects. It gives you the mean and the standard deviation for each subject and what SASSI got. Now, the minute I saw that, I'm like, oh yay, Z scores. Brilliant. It then goes to say, assuming the student scores for each of these 4 subjects are normally distributed, even more like Z scores, the number of certificates of high achievement the SASSI received was. So she's got to be in the top 10%. Now, I don't know about you, but when I was thinking about this question, I was like, well, the top 10%. There's nothing that we do that gives us the top 10%. If you remember, the closest I can get is the top 2.5% of the data, yeah? Because otherwise, this one here is something like 18.5%. So, if she's going to get a Z score, she needs to be up here somewhere, all right? In that top 2.5%. If she's in there, she's going to get a certificate, right? So, what I then went on to do was find the Z scores for all of these. So, if we do Maths A, the Z score is equal to, remember Z is equal to X minus mu on sigma, where X is the data item. So in that situation for Maths A, we had X was 80 minus 69 divided by the standard deviation of 12. So 80 minus 69, again, I know this is random, I'm doing it on a calculator, but I don't want to get these wrong. 11/12. All right, so that there is less than 1. So as far as I'm concerned, because she's got a Z score there of less than 1, there's no way she's in the top 10%. So I'm going to say no to Maths A. If we now look at Maths B, doing exactly the same thing, remember we've got a new score now of 85 minus a new mean of 68 divided by a new standard deviation of 8. So 85 minus 68 gives me 17. So that's going to give me 17 on 8. So 8/16, so that's going to give me a standard deviation of 2.1, sorry, Z score of 2.1. That well and truly puts her in the top 2%. So I'm going to say yes, she's going to get one for Maths B. For physics, Z score is going to be equal to 81 minus 69 divided by 13, he says. Minus 69 gives me 12 on 13. Again, that is going to be less than 1. So no, that's not going to put her at the high end at all. And so then we've got chemistry. So the Z score is going to be 81 minus 62 on 9. So 81 minus 62 gives me 19 on 9. And again, that's about it's going to be 2 point something. So again, that's going to put me in the high end. So as far as I'm concerned, for chemistry, she's also going to get that because she's way, way, way in the top 10% of the students. So in that situation, I'm going to say C. She's going to end up with 2 certificates of high achievement. Again, if you disagree with that, please, please, please let me know if there's another way, because I've sat and racked my brain for that question for quite some time, and I was like, we'll just go with it.